Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's morning ish, and the guys from the solar panels are here to install the thing. I'm gonna pause right now and let them get started, and I will film the process, and I will show you snippets and pieces, and I will make another video at the end once everything has been put in place. All right, see you in a few. Okay, so let's have a look-see at everything once it's ready. I'm gonna flip it and show you the inverter and everything in the technical room. So that is my inverter and another safety box. This one specifically for the whole solar panel array. And right up there is where there should be a battery, but it's not. There aren't any in my country. We're still waiting on them. When they'll get here, I don't know. And until the battery come, the guys are not going to do the grounding. So, alas, I still am not grounded, unfortunately. All right, moving on. Let's have a look-see at the entire panel array going up, back into my tower. And we're going to have a look-see out the window. Look at that. Look at that beastie. Look at all that beastie, 18 kilowatts of power. Can't wait to actually plug this and actually give some into the grid back, because right now, what I am using is 0.3 kilowatts. That's it. That's everything that my house is using right now. So yes, this is overkill for what I am using right now, but I want to be able to give back to the grid, and this array is going to be the solution. It's going to make some money in some time. Alas, that is the way things are, and we can't really change the system all by ourselves, but hopefully steps are being taken and things will change. Right, let me flip the camera and you can see my logo. All right, so that's that. What's next? Right now is for us to wait for the electric company. I don't even know which electric company because it's not my account with them. It's my wife, and she's going to wait for the guys who installed it to make the request, and we're gonna keep bugging everybody until we get the correct counter that's supposed to go both ways, what we take, what we give, and so on and so forth. And of course the battery, and of course a special backup box, because without it, if power fails, I can't use my solar panels in my own house. I have to be always on grid. So I definitely don't want to be able to do that. I want to be able to easily just have a backup when the power grid fails, and I can still have power in my house. So yes, this is the improved panel with a bunch of extra wires over here, just so the backup box can be installed later on. It's going to be somewhat costly, but it's still the best solution for what I got, and it doesn't require anything else. Additionally, I'm gonna bitch about the power company right now because my inverter keeps shutting off, and it's not because they did a bad job. They did a great job installing it, but apparently instead of having 230-ish volts to 40, I have 257, more than 257 volts running through my current at the moment. That thing is saying, I'm not happy with it. I don't like that. No, too much. So yeah, there's that. So I already made a ticket to, well, my wife did. My wife made a ticket to the electric company, and I'm just sitting around here waiting for them to show up and to actually drop the voltage. I never thought I would live to see that day. All right, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's not gonna be me in this video, a lot of people, and I'm gonna start doing it, and you'll see it soon. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to the friends. Bye bye. See you in the next one.